Hello everyone, I'm going to be helping you on how you can download your own software for your PC. It might be maybe you're just from buying your PC, or maybe you just got your PC from somewhere but then you do not know how to install some softwares, for example Microsoft Word and also PowerPoint, Microsoft Office in general, and also other softwares that you might need that can be helpful as you go on using your PC. I'm going to help you through. Hope you watch this video till the end. That's great. To start with, first click on the thumbs up button to like this video if you like it. If it's going to be helpful for you, click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to my channel, as I am going to continue updating some videos on the computer teachings so that you can be updated as I update other videos. Okay, going back to what we have today. So we're going to learn on how we can download any software for our PC. To start with, we have a software app that is known as getintopc.com. So what you have to do firstly to start with, you're going to first go on your computer, your browser. It might be you're using Chrome browser, it might be you're using any other type of browser, but so long as it's a browser used with internet, make sure you connect your PC to the internet or hotspot it. You can use your phone, you can use, if you need a video on how to hotspot your PC using a phone, you can also text me in the inbox and then I can upload a video for you, specifically for you. Yes please. So right now you can click on your browser. For me, I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. It's the one that I'm using. So you click on your browser, it's going to show you some icons there and some choices. Of course, you're supposed to go on the search bar. When you go on the search bar, you're going to type in get into pc.com. After typing getintopc.com, what you're supposed to do, it doesn't matter if it's for Windows 10, Windows 7, it doesn't matter because you're not downloading the app. So you just want to search for a software on this particular app. Yes. So you click on enter, and then after that it's going to display all software categories getintopc.com. But if there's also graphic design, multimedia, IDM, but then you just concentrate on all software categories getintopc.com. That's why you do. After that, you're going to have a display like that one on my screen, and then what you are supposed to do is there's some search bar here. It looks invisible though it's visible. When you click here, it's going to bring a search bar possibility of you to search the particular app that you want to search. So for example, I want to search for Microsoft Office. Since I don't have Microsoft Office in my PC, what I'm going to do is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office, and to download Microsoft Office on my particular PC, since I don't have a word to type, but for this PC it has Microsoft Office, but then I just want to give an illustration. So after you click enter on that search bar, you're going to scroll down. You have some 4 arrows where you are supposed to scroll down. Just scroll down. You choose which one is best for your particular PC. You might have Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, or those particular PCs. So I would prescribe Microsoft Office 2016 Pro Plus April 2021 free download. So you can download this one if you have Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, the one that is mostly suitable is 2010 or these other ones, but even the 2016 can be suitable, though it might have some bit of challenges anyways. But then Windows 10, I'm sure most of us are using Windows 10 right now. So you can download using the 2016 Microsoft. So what you do is, if you want to download 2016 Microsoft Office, you can click there After you click there, it's going to give you some options. It's going to display this screen. Then you scroll down. After you scroll down, all these, you just have to continue scrolling down, and then we are going to find this particular icon which is saying how to install this software, download full setup. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go on download full setup. You press on download full setup. After you press on download full setup, you're going to see just something down there. Okay, let's just do it all. So as you are waiting for the download to begin, just wait patiently, and then the download is going to begin. But then since I already have my Microsoft Office, I don't need to download. So that's how you can download a software that you need. You might also need some other types of softwares. For example, you might need a software called maybe you need PowerPoint alone, Word alone, or maybe you need any type of software. You can use this same particular app to download any type of software that you need that can be helpful for you in terms of anything. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful, and don't forget to click a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for new videos so that you can know on particular basic things that you can learn just at home without even going to school. You can just teach yourself and learn these things. Thanks for watching.